Vajpayee man, not an Advani man. He's not exactly exaggerating. It's his ability to straddle both these worlds, the worlds of Vajpayee and Advani, the world of RSS-style austerity and his own brand of technology and politics, and of course the world of Delhi, which we're now leaving and moving to Mumbai, which to some extent explains the reason for his political survival.
आप आ रहे हैं? कितना फ्लाइंग टाइम है आज? फ्लाइंग टाइम कितना है?
2 hours 5 minutes.
जल्दी ले जाओ.
सामान
ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप?
You talked to your colleagues, you talked to the second rung of BJP leadership, Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj. Why is there this continued perception that all of you are in some sense locked in a power struggle for second place?
No, first thing, power struggle for what? Competition for what?
Competition for control of the party, competition for decision-making positions,
So
influence.
we control the party, we are in the decision-making process, all of us are consulted, and I can say that about 75% decisions of this party are made all of us second-rank leaders. Naturally, there is only one post, which none of us have today. Otherwise, we have post, we are enjoying our post, we have importance in the party, in the government, in the people. The only one post is, let us say, Prime Minister. It's far away from us. So why should I fight with anybody today for a post which is not vacant for at least 10, 12 years from now?
At the moment you're happy where you are as General
I am
Secretary of the party.
considered as General Secretary as a party, or if I join the government as a cabinet minister for any important portfolio.
Would you,
Thereafter,
would you
as I
prefer,
said,
would you prefer that? I mean, do you have any regrets that you were sort of made to leave the government at that stage?
I was not moved of the government. What happened, and I will tell very candidly, that it was indicated to me, not even directly, that they are likely to move me from telecommunication to information broadcast.
Yes.
Because I was performing excellently in Parliamentary Affairs Minister, so nobody dreamt of moving me from there. So, if I would have just kept quiet, till today I would have been a Minister for Information Broadcasting added to Parliamentary Affairs.
But you said you didn't want
I
to.
said no.
You
I
didn't
said
want that
no.
shift.
I said I don't want to move. And I don't know why I was moved, frankly. I don't
Was
know
it
still.
because of the entire telecom controversy? You
See,
were being seen as too close to the cellular players. In
First
the whole
thing,
WLL versus
first
telecom
thing, I'll
controversy.
tell you one thing. It should be judged by the decisions taken by the telecommunication ministry after I moved out.
But it must have hurt you, surely. I mean,
No,
the fact that there was.
See, naturally, I think I have not done anything wrong in telecommunication ministry. Naturally, it hurts.
So far, we've seen glimpses of Pramod Mahajan, the strategist. But now we're going to get a glimpse of Pramod Mahajan, the campaigner, at this joint BJP Sena rally organized for Jayawantiben Mehta, the BJP's candidate from South Mumbai. It's worth noting that Mr. Mahajan has played a key role in consolidating the BJP Sena alliance in Maharashtra, mainly because of his proximity to Bala Saheb Thackeray and also to Thackeray's son Udhav and his nephew Raj.
हमने तो कोई चर्चा की ही नहीं. तो मैंने कहा चर्चा नहीं की तो 8 घंटे बैठक कैसी चली? बोले बैठक मौन चली. हमने कहा मौन क्यों चली? तो उन्होंने कहा हर कोई समझता था कि मैं हो सकता हूं, मैं दूसरे का नाम क्यों लूं? कोई किसी का नाम नहीं ले रहा था. जब 7-8 घंटे मौन बैठक चली तो लालू वहां बैठे थे. जीवन में पहली बार 8 घंटे वो मौन थे. सहन नहीं हुआ और लालू जी ने पीछे से कहा ऐसा करो, मुझे बनाओ. तो किसी ने तुरंत कह दिया लालू जी बिहार में चारा पर्याप्त है, उसको दिल्ली तक मत लेके आइए. जैसे ही चारे का नाम सुना, लालू जी की दुखती रग पे हाथ रखा गया और लालू जी को गुस्सा आया. लालू जी ने चिढ़कर बोला मुझे नहीं बनाते, मुझे नहीं बनाते, जाओ कोई गधा घोड़ा पकड़ के लाओ, उसको बनाओ. अब इन्होंने गुस्से में कहा गधा घोड़ा. वहां देवेगौड़ा बैठे थे, उनको हिंदी नहीं आती थी. आधे सोते आधे जागते थे। लालू ने कहा गधा घोड़ा, इन्होंने सुना देवे गौड़ा, खड़े हो गए, बोले थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। बस जाओ, मैं नंतर गोली खातो। क्या है राहुल साहब, चेंज हो गए? नाही काय नाही, मी नंतर घरी जाऊ। येऊ पिनम, इकडे ना तू, तुझं इंट्रोडक्शन द्यायचं। कोण आहे टीव्ही? पूनम, माय डॉटर।
Hi, I'm Srinivasan. Poonam, nice to meet you.
दिस इज हर राहुल, यू नो।
Please come in.
Rahul is your mischievous son.
रेखा, यू नो। अच्छा,
BJP alliance comes to power. And at the bottom of the heap with 39%, Chhagan Bhujbal.
Living in Bombay, I think everyone knows something about film, sound, technology.
We are crazy about movies, Dad and me. We watch anything.
Acha? But movies, what kind of films do you all like to see? Any particular?
We are actually Dilip Kumar fans, but
Huh.
still we'll watch anything.
You, sir, you never wanted to think of a career going from theatre to films or something like that?
I'm thinking of trying after these elections. I'm not joking.
Really?
I was telling you a story.
Huh. No, you're thinking of trying films or theatre?
No, not theatre. A week back, Midday published few the directors whom they would like to cast. And so this Madhur Bhandarkar, he said, I would like to cast Pramod Mahan.
In the role of what?
No, it's not role.
Just to cast him as an actor.
Any politician.
Any politician you would like to cast.
Okay.
So there were few,
Right.
somebody said Lalu, somebody said kind
Right.
of thing. I don't remember all of them. So I read it and I thought, so I did not talk with directly. So Vivek talked with him. Now he says that I have at least 3 or 4 serious political films in mind. So I said, meet me after election, so I'll seriously think about it.
Achha.
Whether I can really.
That's quite a revelation.
That's why when Madhur Bhandarkar told me that no, I have seen him, don't worry. So I said, let us have a screen test first. Let's find out, because
And who is the actress who will be cast opposite
no,
you?
I don't know whether what he is thinking really, but I'm not casual. I'm just thinking really have to try real once. If really I can act, that I'm not very sure.
Right, Mr. Mahajan, thanks very much for spending the day with us. Thanks very much indeed. That was Pramod Mahajan. His admirers say that he's changed the rules of Indian politics. His critics say that he's bent the rules somewhat. But either way, if the NDA comes back to power, which virtually every opinion poll says it will, you can be sure of one thing, that Pramod Mahajan will be back in business.
We are in Mumbai, and this building right in front of me here in Worli is the place where probably one of India's best known politicians stays. He's a man who clearly has various shades to himself. He's a man to whom controversies never fail to bother him. And in his own party, he's better known for his organizational skills, what some even say backroom management. But there's hardly any doubt about the fact that in today's politics, or in today's real power politics, you cannot dismiss the presence of Pramod Mahajan. So we decided to spend a day with him to find out what is he all about.
नमस्कार सर। बैठिए, जेब में डालना है। आइए बैठिए। हाँ, प्रकाश कि और मैंने कहा भी दूसरे दिन मैं सिर्फ 6 मीटिंग कर सकता हूँ, और चाहे तो मैं रात में आपके यहाँ नाइट हॉल्ट करूँगा।
Like most of us, Mr. Mahajan's day also begins by reading the newspaper, but his reading the newspaper also has another meaning. It's actually a very conscious effort for closely monitoring the news as it comes. How many papers do you normally read in the morning?
Almost all. During election campaign,
I don't go into details of newspapers. Frankly, if you have to keep a fighting mood, you don't have to go into details of newspapers. Because what I realize that when I go for a public meeting, I see everything right happening throughout the day. Next day morning you just open a newspaper. Now depending upon the color of the newspaper, the news goes on changing.
आप जैसे कोई ऐसे एक्टिविटी में आप उनको पॉलिटिकली असिस्ट करते हैं कभी? पॉलिटिकली असिस्ट करना या और कोई तरह की मदद करना?
नहीं, कुछ मदद मतलब कुछ काम होते हैं लोगों के तो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ, वो मैं ही करती हूँ क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र में सरकार थी, लोगों के इतने सारे बेचारे लोग बाहर से आते हैं।
कितना ये इस घर में how many bedrooms this house has?
2 बेडरूम है, बाहर एक ऑफिस है, वैसे वो 3rd भी गेस्ट रूम है।
सेवा आपल्या समोर आहे, मी आपल्याला विनंती फक्त करतो, मी गेल्या 25 वर्ष आपली सेवा करण्याचा प्रामाणिक प्रयत्न केलेला आहे।
We are right now in the heart of Pune city, and this is a public meeting for which I guess the audience had really had to wait for Mr. Pramod Mahajan.
म्हणजे तुम्ही व्यक्तिगत टीका करता, म्हणलं आम्ही कुठं करतो, तुम्हीच व्यक्तिगत बोलता, मी काय करू? तुम्ही राहुलला घेऊन येता, प्रियंकाला घेऊन येता, काही भाषण करता, बेलारीत प्रियंका उभी राहते म्हणते My mummy loves Bellary. Your mummy loves Cadbury chocolate. पहिल्यांदा आली, my mummy loves Bellary. Love at first sight आम्ही ऐकलं होतं, पण love at every sight हे आम्ही पहिल्यांदाच पाहिलं.
As we traveled through the day with Mr. Mahajan, it became more and more clear that his speeches surely do get the attention from his audience, and in turn they also create controversies. That was not surprising for us that this time round there wasn't any mention of any Monica Lewinsky.
लाइट काफी आते हैं।